Welcome to Cattle Labs How to series. Today, we'll explore implementing image and voice command with Typesense. Typesense is an open-source, in-memory search engine. By integrating multimodal search with vector embeddings, it delivers fast, accurate, and intuitive results across various applications. The architecture consists of a streamlined pipeline for multimodal search. It begins with user input in text, voice, or image format, which is processed using CLI for images and STT for voice. A query parser then converts the input into a searchable format. The system stores text and image embeddings in a vector database for efficient similarity-based retrieval. Typesense acts as the search engine, fetching relevant results, which are then delivered to the user. This script connects our application to the Typesense server, enabling image-based search using the CLI model. Begin by importing essential libraries like Typesense, OpenCLI, Torch, and PL. Next, load the CLI model to generate image embeddings for product searches. The script checks for ecommerce.json, ensuring that the product catalog is available. Next, connect to Typesense by specifying server details and an API key. Define the product schema. Use a front-end with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for seamless search. Delete and recreate the e-commerce collection if it exists, ensuring the latest schema. Insert structured product data into Typesense. Use app.py as the backend, connecting Typesense with the frontend via Flask. Enable CORs for cross-origin requests. Load product data from ecommerce.json. Exit if missing to prevent errors. Set up the Typesense client with host, port, and API key. Define API routes. /serves the frontend, /products returns product data in JSON. Implement /search to query Typesense for product details based on name, description, brand, or category. Use the image_search.py script to enable image-based search with CLI. Import necessary libraries. Load CLI vitd/32 to convert images into vector embeddings for search. Preprocess uploaded images and convert them into numerical embeddings for matching. Retrieve similar products by comparing image embeddings stored in Typesense. Enable voice search for product descriptions, brands, or categories. Process results in Typesense, sorting by popularity. Search by text across product attributes to display results in real time. Upload an image to extract ski-like embeddings and match them with stored vectors in Typesense. It will display dynamic search results with images, names, descriptions, and prices. Integrating Flask, Typesense, TLIP, and a responsive front-end creates a robust, scalable, and multimodal search solution. Typesense brings AI-powered search to life across industries. In e-commerce, users can find products instantly with image recognition and text search. In education, semantic search and metadata filtering help discover research papers and courses effortlessly. And in entertainment, multimodal search enables users to explore movies, music, and games using text, images, or even audio snippets. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Gen A. Thank you for watching.